Woohoo, guys. Well, I found a pocket knife yesterday. It was an eyeball find in the middle of the road. Um, it's been run over a couple of times. I still think I can restore it. I've managed to get all of the blades open and the little key ring thingy there pulled back out. I'm going to have to spread the tips a little bit on each end because they've been crushed down somewhat. But I think I can restore this. And I've got friends who think I can. The other side looks a lot worse. Let me turn it over. Oh, I think I gave you the bad side. It's got a blade, a file, a bottle opener, screwdriver tip, a corkscrew. It's pretty cool. It's made in China. I don't have any brand idea what it is, but I'm going to try to fix this baby up and add it to my collection because I love finding knives. Woohoo.